Environmental matters. So, initiatives to prevent, abate, and remedy damage to environment or to deal with the conservation of renewable, non-renewable sources like initiative may be required by the environmental law and regulation or by the contract or they may be undertaken voluntarily. So environmental matters is what where we live, we need to use a recycle type property, renewable energy, reduce less renewable energy, such kind of things. Okay. Consequence of violating environmental laws and regulations. In auditor point of view, every industry you go and audit. If example you're going to go for a steel industry, the water which is being used, how much they consume water. At the same time, how much they give back to environment. That is by way of tax, how much trees they go. At the same time, every industry is being abated with environmental laws. And now in India, it has been step by step environmental laws are coming forth by way of emission control equipment. If you put some emission control equipment, you may get an additional depreciation. And chemical industries is far more stringent in India because people are too like people means I'm saying the environment which you conduct the uh, business, the surrounding people are very much get the clarity because it's they check the water everything. Consequence of environmental damage done to other or to natural resources, like water, how you consume, how you give to the world, how you take the air, and what is you give back, how that you lose the land, everything is important. Consequence of vicarious liability imposed by law, for example, liability damage caused by the previous owner. Sometimes you may take over a company and you may be the auditor of the merger company or a takeover company. The liability of the previous one, for example, they may have affected the environment. That lawsuit may pending in the court due to the acquisition merger. You too liable because of this liability of the previous owner. This is the previous environmental matters.